we guide you through how to track expenses in FreshBooks. Start by logging into your FreshBooks account, then open the Expenses section from the left-hand menu. Click Create Expense to add new expense, enter the date, select the appropriate expense category, and add the amount you paid. If the expense is associated with a client, select that client as well. You can also upload a receipt by attaching an image or file, making it easier to keep your records complete. Next, choose the payment method you use, such as cash, credit card, or bank account. If the expense is billable to an client, make sure to mark it as billable and select the correct client. Review all information carefully, then click Save. To review your spending, return to the expenses section where you can filter expenses by date, category, client, or status. You can also edit or delete an expense when needed.